Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2021 Ford Transit equipped with the BraunAbility rear entry power lift. Let's go ahead and bring down the lift. We will first open up the doors. You can then use this hand pendant to operate the lift. Let's go ahead and make our way inside. So this lift here is going to be 34 inches wide with an 800-pound capacity. As we make our way inside, this one is going to have additional seats. You will have 2 seats on the side that will flip out of the way, 1 stationary seat on the side. You will also have 2 full restraints of retractable straps, and you also have another set of seats that will also flip out of the way. And this van here only has 60,000 miles. Let's go ahead and come back down. You can then put the pendant here and then close the doors. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair lift. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here is going to have 60,000 miles. You will also have a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.